Hello everyone, welcome to Fire E-Training Institute and our statewide emergency response plan course, otherwise known as SERP. If this is your first time taking a class with us, we want to welcome you. My name is Alan Davis and I'll be your instructor. And the purpose of this video is to help you navigate through the course and then also explain to you the different assignments that we have in this course. First, you must know that you need to be logged into this course for a minimum of 6 hours. This course goes towards your Fire Officer 2 certification, and I want to say that try not to look at this course as just another check to put in your box, but try to get out of it as much as you can, because when you get deployed, as many of us have been deployed due to hurricanes and brush fires and that sort of thing, this course is very useful because of all the different things that you learn in it. And when you do get deployed, you're going to have a better understanding of what's going on around you because you've taken this course. Okay, so first of all, we're going to go over navigation. And if you look across the top ribbon here, we have the dashboard, and we have the different courses that you are enrolled in. And if you click one of these courses, you'll go directly to that course page. And if you go over here to this one where it says this course, you can see your grades. And if you go over to the right, the top right, you have this right here, which is the messaging sidebar. You can message any of the instructors directly. This is a good way to communicate with me. If you have any questions, you can also email me, which is my email address is in the syllabus, and also my phone number. And then across here, if you go to this drop down, you can also get to your grades here, and then you can view your profile and then edit your profile if you'd like to. Okay, so that is that. And then right here is our progress bar. So whenever you complete an assignment or you look at the student e-learning handbook or the course syllabus, one of these boxes will turn to green and you'll see a check mark. This course dedication block is where you're going to keep track of your time. Whenever you're finished with the class, I will go back and I will check to make sure that you have at least 6 hours. Moving on down, here is the course navigation block. This is good because it's just another way to navigate through the course. So if you want to open up the student e-learning handbook and then go directly to the course syllabus, you can without using the back button. And then if you want to go right into the course, you just hit SERP. And that's about it for the navigation. You can also close these here if you'd like. If you want to collapse this whole menu, just click on these and it'll collapse them all. And then moving on down, you're in the tutorial video right now. We have the student e-learning handbook, which has a lot of good tips to be a successful student, and also has some of our policies as an institution. You can check that out later. And of course, we have our course syllabus. I highly recommend that you read that. That's why I put must read. We have our discussion rubric, which just basically explains to you how I'm going to grade you when I give you a grade. And then we have the Fire Officer certification track, and that is it just shows you the different courses that you need to take to get the different certifications here in Florida. And then we have some resources that go to the Fire Chiefs Association Statewide Emergency Response Committee page, and then also the State Emergency Response Team website. And then down here, you can open all these up, and these are your different assignments. So starting with, we have different modules. So for instance, we have the Florida Statewide Emergency Response Plan module, then the Mutual Aid Systems module, then the Post-Incident Analysis module, and then finally the final exam. In order to progress through to the different modules, you need to pass each quiz. So for instance, the Florida Mutual Aid Systems quiz is locked until you pass the SERP quiz. And all the information that is in the SERP quiz can be found in here, the SERP plan, the Statewide Emergency Response Plan. And if you look through it, you have a table of contents, and it's a good way to find the answers to the quiz questions. Right here is we have all the JPRs and otherwise known as objectives. And going back, we have the discussion question, and ask you a really easy question. It's worth 20 points, and you just answer the question, and then I grade you. To post your answer to this discussing question, you just do what this little image here says, and you hit reply, and then you can type in here your answer to the question, and then move on down and click the post to forum button. You can also navigate also to the next assignment by clicking this down here. So it's just another way to navigate through this course. Try to make it as easy as possible. And that is basically it. So in the syllabus, we show you how much each assignment is worth. The discussions are worth 20. The quizzes are worth 40%, and the final exam is worth 40. Okay. Again, my name's Alan Davis, and if you needed to get a hold of me, I'm very quick about returning emails and phone calls. Obviously, I'm working as a firefighter, lieutenant, so I do work every third day. Therefore, if you try to get a hold of me on one of my shift days, it may take me a little bit, but I do respond very quickly to your questions and concerns. So with that, I wish you good luck, and definitely reach out to me if you need anything. All right, guys, we'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.